Evening guys.
Hi.
Tonight we've came to Pitlochry to go to the Enchanted Forest.
First time back in 3 years.
I know, 3 years and we're back and we can't wait. We're here with my dad, but he's ran away in front of us, so we'll need to see if we can catch up to him.
This is my last vlog. It's a Findlay.
Oh, Natalie's going to be a ranking pretty soon.
Yeah, this is the last vlog before the wedding. So
I know.
Exciting.
So we're going to get going and get in. As you can hear all the sounds in the background and all the lights, let's get going. So just at the start of the forest we've got the big Enchanted Forest sign, and then you can see some of the lights show in the background down there, and this is just looking back towards the bus. Pretty cool. Like I said, we've got my dad is here with us. This is his first time here. We journey together, and I think the theme of this year's is together, or togetherness, whatever you want to say. Oh, almost tripped out a branch here, Natalie. I know. And over here, this reminds me of the PlayStation sign. Well, PlayStation logos, didn't it? I'm presuming you go in, like behind them to get like selfies or something like that?
Yeah, let's demonstrate.
Well, we demonstrate, let's go over.
Lost George.
Ah, we've lost Georgie. He'll just go a wander himself anyway, so that's fine. So I'm presuming you just go in behind it like this, get a wee selfie. Pretty cool. You could go... You do, yeah? I love the red look on these trees. I would love this for the back garden. And if you just look up, you see all the lights as if they're like stars. Cracking. I just love this wee view looking back. Just as we're heading in, we've got the hands here for the together, or togetherness. I think it's actually just together it's called. That's pretty cool. And after that, just as we're heading down here, I think we're going to come to like the first like food stalls and that. I'll see if I can show you what you can have down here, but the lights in here are pretty cool. And the wee sounds that are going off in the background are cool as well. Me and my dad are very much alike. As you can see, he's just round this corner taking some pictures. This is what it must be like when you go out with me. Just losing them all the time, taking pictures. Just as we've come into it, we've passed by all the food stuff and we've got walk together up here in the distance.
And you. And you. And you. And you. We get to experience everything.
So we've just done the first one and we thoroughly enjoyed it. I don't know if you guys can see us now. I don't know what it's called. Maybe we'll just call you maybe. Oh, we're not pitch black. I hope you can hear us now. Obviously you can't really see us. But aye, the first one was brilliant. And now we're just heading on to the second one. Would you like the first one?
I loved it. It's very bright.
It was quite bright, wasn't it?
My eyes. It's like fireflies.
Right, we'll see this one. This wee bit here just looks like hundreds of fireflies. How cool is that? Or stars, I don't know what you'd say. Fireflies. It's amazing.
Glitter.
Oh, glitter. Just glitter everywhere, Natalie.
Wow.
How amazing is that? Obviously with the theme being together, we're about to dream together now. which obviously would be pretty strange if you were dreaming together with people. Oh, we're heading deeper into the forest, into dreamland. A cool wee walkway, isn't it? It's pretty cool. Do you know what that actually reminds me of? Copenhagen. Remember? Aye, there was a bit called The Wave in Copenhagen, if any of you have seen our Copenhagen vlog, and it's exactly the same as this. Pretty cool. I like it. Wonder how it looks on us. Let's see. Although the autofocus on this camera for when I turn it round takes forever to focus. Natalie in the background and Georgie as well, see them? Aye, this bit's cool. Oh, there's no Georgie there. That's just a random other lady. This is coming up to my favourite bit for the... Is it twice you've been here? Yeah. I always love this wee bridge just all done like that. I'm going to get Natalie to walk in front of me because it looks cinematic.
Cinematic? Like in slow motion?
Well, I'm not going to put it in slow motion. Well, I suppose I could put it in slow motion. Put some epic music at the top of it.
Well, I think we are going to go in slow motion because it's slowing down quite a bit here.
This is our favourite bit.
If you're looking for the next part of the show, you're going to the right.
How awesome is that? So bright, isn't it, nuts? That is cracking. You don't look like Tinkerbell, nah. Definitely not. And as you can see, it's just me and Natalie now. We've lost Georgie. He's away back there somewhere. Oh, aye. So glittery. Well, it's not glittery, is it? It's sparkly. And we're going left to continue on the tour, and if you've been over the bridge before, she says you end up going right here, but like I said, this is your first time over the bridge, so we are going to go left. How cracking does the forest look, guys? Let's get you a wee pan round here as the bridge we just came across. How class is that? Some of the colours are amazing.
I wish the forest always looked like this.
Well, I know, but then it wouldn't make it special at night, would it? And then the birds definitely wouldn't be getting to sleep.
I was just saying that. Imagine all the birds just look at what is going on.
They'll be like, how are you? I'm on the night shift. Turn those lights down.
First day rave.
And the music. Just coming up to this awesome light show. How cool is that? Want to stay here and watch it for a wee bit? Eh?
Can't hear anything.
I says, do you want to stay here and watch it for a wee bit? Music's like pure Tron or something, isn't it? I love these wee lights. I was going to call them lanterns there, but they're no lanterns, wee lights.
Little light bulbs.
Aye, they're pretty cool. They'd be cool at the back garden, wouldn't they?
Small.
I think we're just coming up to, what's that? Coffee and churros. And I think there's a wee bit here. Look, the wee fire, you can see it.
Oh, for toasting your wains.
Aye, well, hold on a minute. It's supposed to be marshmallows, no wains. You could toast all the wains?
Hocus Pocus 2 comes out tomorrow night.
Oh, that's right, aye.
I'm on the toasting of the wains side.
So you get a wee bit here, you can just sit. As you can see, it's very bright. You can toast the wains and you can get a wee churro and a hot chocolate, which I think Natalie's going to get. Oh, there's actually 2 fire pits here. So Natalie decided to treat herself to a wee luxury hot chocolate.
It's got cream and marshmallows on that.
£4 it cost her.
Just look at the size of that.
It's tiny, but hey.
It's very tasty.
And look who we found. Georgie boy. What you thinking of it so far, Dad?
It's a lot of lights.
What? what would you give it out of 10?
He's thinking the electricity bill.
Oh, that's what he's thinking. He's thinking there's a cost of living crisis on here and yous have got lights on. We've just arrived at the last one. And this is the one that used to have the water spraying, if you've seen any other vlogs. psychedelic thing here on the wall. It looks pretty cool actually. A wee lava lamps or something, isn't it? Sped up but.
It's like what happens when you pick your island really hard.
I like the wee tune that's going along with it. And then the last wee bit here is tied by invisible strings. Ain't got no strings to hold me down, ba-dum bum bum. I don't even know how to sing it.
Do you remember the version of that they had when Age of Ultron came out, and it was like the really creepy, like it was Ultron singing it.
I don't think so, no.
It's like, I got no strings on me, and it was like really creepy. Do you
No,
remember?
I don't remember it. Nah.
Look it up. It's really creepy. It's the best version of the song, let's be honest.
Just on our way out, they've got these cubes. Pretty cool. Although they're playing mad creepy music in there at the top of it. Very strange. What's the mad creepy music? As if we're in a horror film right now. Might be, aye. Maybe they're all dead. Maybe it's all ghosts. I always think the water here looks absolutely amazing, but look in the distance there, it looks like something from Saw. Spyro, isn't it? Imagine you just seen his wee...
Do you want to play a game?
No, I don't like games.
Why not?
Because no, if Saw's involved.
You know, one time I think you'd play a really good game.
Wait, just one time?
Just
one time at band camp? So just at the start here, they've got this rolling bass line, and we're just going to give Georgie and Natalie a wee shot. Will you just turn the tempo all the way down, Natalie? Get it turned up, get it going faster. Where's the vocals? That's the tuning.
Hi. I don't know what it is, but you have got it.
Well, I'm not too sure you have.
I don't know what it is, but you have got it.
There you go, he's making a tune. Aye, sounds good. Alright, he's just stopped it. Cool, eh?
I love so much the DJ.